Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started in the video, please make sure you're subscribed. You can look down below and see if you are, and make sure you have the bell clicked so you don't miss the video. And as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be going over the 35G Bronze Goals Morphe palette. I was so excited about this. I ordered this the day they launched, and I have played with it. Done some looks, and so I'm just here to create a look for y'all and just give y'all my thoughts and opinions. We are just gonna jump into this. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a few swatches. Here's some matte, or a couple mattes and a couple of shimmers. To be able to tell from swatches how eyeshadow is gonna work, it's kind of hard. I mean, you know the deal. Anyways, but I did a look with this shade right here, and I just could not get this shade to work for me. Comment down below and let me know if you have this palette and how this shade worked out for you. I'm gonna swatch it real quick and let's see how it works now, because I did watch a video the other day where somebody had trouble with like the first layer of the shimmers, and then after that they worked out well, or worked out better. So let's just see if that one works out a little bit better for me. It's so chunky to me. You see that? How it looks like chunky? But other than this shade, everyone has worked out like a dream for me. I'm gonna try it one more time. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But comment down below and let me know if you have this palette and your thoughts on that shade. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's just mine. But I absolutely love this palette. I am obsessed with it. These bronze shades are just, oh, they're me, okay? They're me. I love this palette. If I get a palette with literally 35 shades and only one isn't working for me, come on now. That is a-okay. A-okay. I'm gonna dip into that shade right there, and we're gonna start our transition with that. I'm just going in with a fluffy a fluffy blending brush from a BH Cosmetics set. And we're just popping that in the crease. As you can tell, like, it is super pigmented. Like, as you can tell, this matte shade, it blends out easily, so easily. And I'm literally like not going anywhere today. Well, I'm gonna go pick up my 7-year-old from school in the drive-through pickup line, so literally just doing my makeup for that. Hashtag mom life. But these shades are so easy to work with, so easy. Now I'm gonna go in to that color right there and start working that in the outer corner, and then in the shade some, in the crease some. Oh, my stomach is growling. I need to start bringing snacks in here when I film, because I feel like my stomach always decides to growl when I'm filming. And I don't know if you can tell again, but this shade is super pigmented and it's just super easy to blend out. So I'm thinking about starting a little series. I don't know how often I would do it, but I am always going to TJ Maxx to find newish eyeshadow palettes just to see what they have. And I mean, it could be anything from, you know, BH Cosmetics palette to, I don't even know. But I thought about starting a little series where whenever I find a palette at TJ Maxx to do an eye look on it, comment down below, let me know what y'all's thoughts are on that, if that's something y'all would care to see. Like, I just picked up this BH Cosmetics palette from there like last week, and I thought about doing a look on it. Like, just palettes you can find at TJ Maxx, whether, I mean, just to show some of the stuff that, you know, you can get at TJ Maxx. And I know they have like their little brands of stuff like Ellen Tracy and Mac Studio and stuff like that. And I've honestly never tried any of those brands. So it'd be fun to kind of, you know, maybe get one and see how it performed. Let me know what y'all think. Now I'm gonna barely dip into that shade right there. And I am going to place that on the outer corner just to deepen it up some. Just want to deepen up that outer corner just a hair. Alright, then I'm going to go in with that first brush and that first shade and just blend the edges. Alright, now I'm just going to go into a small brush and I'm going to go in with that shade right there to highlight my brow bone. Alright, just kind of blend that together. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that shade right there. And I'm just going to use my finger and put that on my lid. Okay, this is my first time swatching that one. And I will say I had to rub it in quite a bit, so maybe on some of them you do have to kind of get that first little layer off. But it is definitely gorgeous. Alright, now I'm going to take just a small little brush and I'm going to go in with that goldish type shade and put that in the inner corner. Alright, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Alright, this is with the rest of my makeup on and I really love this look. I really love this palette. Other than just that one shade, the rest of them have worked really, really great. I like using my finger with the shimmers. I feel like it works best that way. That's just my opinion. I definitely think it's worth it to get it if you're into bronze shades. It's like all the rest of the Morphe palettes. It's just really easy to work with, and I feel like Morphe is such a great brand for beginners and, you know, for those who've been doing makeup for a long time, because I mean the shadows are just always so easy to work with. So easy. I absolutely love this palette. I will continue using it, and yes, that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and if you have a question about anything else I'm wearing on my face, feel free to ask me down below. And like I said, I am just going to pick up my 7-year-old from school, so I look a hot mess. Get over it. Toodles.